What is up, guys? It is Oliver here, and welcome back to another video. Now, I haven't uploaded in ages, so I just wanted to go back into making videos. I was getting very bored of doing them, but now I'm back, fresh, and I'm doing more videos more often. And today we're playing Roblox. Now, I played Roblox a long time ago. It was probably about 8 or 6 months ago when I did it. I'm not sure. It was a long time ago that I can't even remember. But I played Roblox a long time ago, and it was on my iPhone. But it was very laggy and stuff. But now I've got a computer. But now I've got a computer, so I can play Roblox on my computer. So we just need to wait until this loads, and I'll see you. It's done already. Okay. And this is what I look like. Yeah, boy. And I got a free bike from my friend. So yeah, and look, this is a trick that I can do. Go round in circles. Okay, so where should we go? Hello? What's this? I've never seen this before. Oh, this is where I work. This is where I work. Oh, yeah. Beat nightclub. Oh, hell yeah. I'm going in here. Heck yeah. Right, let's go. Why do I walk so slow? Wait, there's no music? Oh wait, do I use this? Oh. Or drink, eat, and drinking some. I just drank some cola. Now I'm gonna go. All I wanted was the cola. Right, how do I get out of here? Jump down. Don't want to order any more drinks. I just want to get out of here because it says at the bottom left that I'm exhausted. So, use radio. Oh, come on! Like, use. I'm gonna go home because at the bottom left it says that I'm exhausted. Oh god, what's happened to my bike? My bike is stuck. Me bike is stuck. Come on! Get the bike unstuck. The bike is stuck. Come on! Get out! You have been invited to Gamer Diamond's party. Would you like to go? No, so I can't do a video here. Okay, that was actually kind of mean. Come on, there we go. I thought I lost my own bike then. Alright, I need to get home because I'm exhausted. Right, where's my home? Hello? Is my home around here? I can't lost my home. I don't know where I am anymore. Hello? Hello? Is anyone here? Where's me house? I can't find me house. Oh, I think it's over here. I think it's that one right there. Is it this one? I think it is. Yep, it is. Alright, so I'm going to put my bike right here. I'm going to put my bike I'm going to put it right there. Respawn, there we go. Right. Close. So what I'm going to do is, I need to go to the toilet. I want to go to the toilet because I am bursting for a poo. Is this the bathroom? Yep. Right. Use. What do I need to do now? I need fun. So can you increase your fun by like watching TV and stuff? I'm very hungry. I'm starving. So I need to get some stuff down my neck. Right, let's open this. I don't want any emotes, thank you. Right. Let's open the door. The door just went right through me. I don't know how that happened, but it did. Roblox. Right, take apple, or should I have some hot dogs? Let's get some hot dogs. What's this? What was that? Take ingredients. Ooh, pancakes or bacon and eggs. I'll have them for breakfast because that's basically breakfast. So let's just take some pancakes. And let's just stir some pancakes. Let's put them on the side and stir them. Right, we're making pancakes, guys. The old-fashioned way, just like my grandma used to make. Alright, there we go. Now we need to fry the pancakes. Oh yeah, I have cooking skills now. Yeet. Right. Pancakes. Proper pancakes. Oh yeah, I love me some pancakes. Right. Are they done? Pancakes? They don't look done. They look raw. Yay! Level 2. Right. Let's save them for later. Actually, I'm too starving. Oh, I'm gonna eat it. Oh, okay. Right, let's put them over here. Let's place pancakes and then eat them. Take. Eat. Oh, cut! Okay, where should I put these pancakes? Panny cakes. Wowie zowie wee powie. I need to interact with take portion. Ooh, num-nums. Did I eat it? Oh yep. Why did the pancake just have a crunch? The pancake just had a crunch. That was weird. Take portion. It had a crunch. Why does it have crunches? That's weird. Take portion. So are these the pancakes? Are these pancakes I'm eating? Because pancakes don't normally have a crunch. Let's take these and can we put them in? Can we put them in the fridge? Can we put them in the fridge? Interact. No, I don't think I can. Oh, we have more sets of pancakes? Didn't know that. Alright, let's and now let's see how much okay, hunger 100%, wow. Right, let's watch some TV. And we're gonna watch it in first person view. So just sit down. Wowie zowie wee powie, sit down. Oh, I'm bored. Right. Turn on. What we wanna watch today? Turn on. Watch. Right, let's change the channel. What else is on? Oh, the cooking channel. Nice. What else is on? Oh, it's Lion Unicorn. It has some sick music with it as well. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but if you play this game, sick music, mate. Oh, okay, that's all the channels. I'm gonna put this one. This is my favourite. Watch. Right, I'm just gonna watch this for a little bit, and then I'm gonna watch this for a little bit, and then I'm gonna. Okay, I'm fine. What? How much have I earned? Oh God, it's going up quick. It's going up really quick. Oh, and I'm earning energy as well. Oh God, my cleanliness is going down. Everything goes down so quick. Why does it do that? You really have to look after yourself in this game, mate. Right, right, fun, energy, go up, one more, go up, one more, 99, 100. Yep, and now we can turn the TV off. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get up, and I'm really stinky, so I need to go to the toilet. Wait, why can't I go? There we go. E. Open. Right, close. The door went through me again. Now I need to shower. Oh yeah. Oh, I love showering. Oh, I love showering. Oh, shower. I love the shower. Oh, that's me shower. Yep. Oh, the cleaningness goes up really quick. Oh, nice. Alright, do we have work? Is it the morning? A cashier delivery person. Do I have go to work? Employees. Seller at Ben's ice cream. What should I do? Oh, that looks kind of cool. Oh, that looks really cool. I'm probably going to choose that one. Pizza baker. Delivery worker. Okay, I'm going to have to go with the delivery worker. Alright, it's probably gonna load for a long time for me because I've got bad internet. So I'm just gonna see you guys in a minute. Bye guys, it's finished loading, and so we have to so we are the people who have to deliver the pizzas. So like, where are the pizzas? So, pizzas. So, what do I do with the pizzas? Shift ended. You left your workplace. Okay. Right, let me do it again then. Nope, don't want to end shift. You've got bills to pay. Interact with the mailbox to pay them. Okay, I need to do my work